Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I blow dry my hair, what techniques I use to blow dry my hair, and what products I use. So if you guys want to see this, please keep watching. So guys, before I start drying my hair, I do want to explain something to you guys. I have dandruff. For those who don't know what dandruffs are, they're this, right? These little guys are the white little spots you have in your hair. They usually grow up here in your skull. Mine are dry, so mine will only stay here, but when I blow dry it, they will come out. Some of you, I know personally, I have many people that they have them, but they're oily. The difference between those two is that the oily ones, they will go over your entire hair. They will cover your hair. They will go at the end of like the tips of your hair. So mine are dry. Mine won't leave the top part of my skull. But when I blow dry my hair, they have the tendency of coming out. So I personally use the Head and Shoulder dandruff treatment. I paid $7.50 for it at CVS. If you have a closest drugstore, please go and get it. If you have a Walmart, Target, they have it, usually at the beauty section of the store. So I would definitely suggest getting it. It's completely worth it. Trust me, it works. I know that some products will work for me and not for you, but I would definitely suggest, if you want to stop the dandruff from your hair, go to Target, go to CVS, go to your closest store and grab this. Trust me, this helps. If it doesn't... Next thing I will do is take the bottom part of my brush and just divide my hair evenly. So it will look like this. If you have a hair clipper, I would suggest to you to take it and just apply it to the upper section of your hair. So you will have enough space to dry your hair. So this is what I use to blow dry my hair. I use a Revlon brush. This helps me to dry my hair a little bit faster. So it looks like this. If you don't have it, I will put the link below on where you can find it for a reasonable price. I paid for this like $42 on Amazon, so I will apply the link below for you guys to go check it out and buy it if you need to. So guys, this is the final look. I'm gonna add below where you can find each item that I've been using today. So if you guys like the video, make sure to click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment if you have any other suggestions. See you guys on my next video.